Have you ever felt small when rich people entered the room? Do you know what it feels like to be invisible around powerful people? Have you ever wanted better friends, but felt you did not belong? John felt this pain every day. He wanted friends who could open doors, but his clothes were old. His words felt weak. His heart felt tired. If you have ever been poor in money, confidence, or connections, this story is for you. This is not just about friends. It is about the truth inside you. Once upon a time, John was 27 years old. He lived in a small, dusty town. The houses were close. The roads were rough. He worked as a store helper in a busy market. Every morning, John opened heavy metal doors. He swept the floor. He counted items that were not his. But John had a dream. He wanted to sit with important people. People who spoke with confidence. People who made decisions and changed lives. Every evening, he passed a big hotel. Rich men laughed inside. Their shoes shined. Their voices were calm. John slowed his steps each time. He watched from outside. His heart felt heavy. While others made strong connections, John stood alone. While others were invited inside, John stayed in the dark. People in the town knew him. He is a good boy, they said, but he is too quiet, too small. John smiled when he heard this, but inside he felt pain. At night, he sat on his small bed. The light was weak. The room was silent. He asked himself one question again and again. How can someone like me make influential friends? He did not know the answer, but deep inside, something burned. John tried many times. He joined events. He stood near important people, but when he spoke, his voice shook. His words came out fast and broken. People nodded, then walked away. One day, he saved money for months. He bought a simple jacket. He entered the hotel with hope. Inside, the air felt cold. The floor shined like water. Soft music played. John walked to a group of men. They wore expensive suits. He said softly, "Hello." They looked at him. One smiled politely. Another checked his phone. Then they turned away. John stood there frozen. His face burned. His heart dropped. That night, rain fell hard. John walked home alone. Water soaked his shoes. Tears filled his eyes. "Maybe I am not meant for this," he whispered. The next morning, he met an old man near the river. The man sat on a stone. His hair was white. His eyes were calm. The man watched John closely. "You look tired," the man said. John sighed. "I want strong friends," he replied, "but they never see me." The old man picked 2 seeds from his pocket. He held them up. "These seeds are the same," he said, "but one grows tall, one dies." John frowned. "Why?" he asked. "One is planted in good soil," the man said. "The other is not." John did not understand. He thanked the man and left. But those words stayed. Good soil, bad soil. That night, John could not sleep. Days passed. John thought deeply. For the first time, he understood something important. He was chasing people, but he was not growing himself. One morning, he made a decision. "I will change," he said softly. It was not easy. He woke early. He read simple books on speaking. He practiced words in front of a mirror. His tongue felt heavy. His voice sounded strange, but he kept going. He learned to listen, really listen, not to impress, but to understand. At work, he helped others more. He asked questions. He smiled with his eyes. Weeks went by. John started walking with confidence, not pride, just calm strength. One day, a customer talked about business problems. John listened carefully. He asked kind questions. The man noticed. "You speak well?" the man said. John felt warmth in his chest. Months passed. John joined meetings again, but this time he did not beg for attention. He added value. He spoke less, but his words mattered. Some people ignored him. That still hurt, but he remembered the seeds. 1 year later, John wore clean, simple clothes. Nothing fancy, but they fit well. He entered the same hotel. This time, people noticed. A man waved at him. Another asked for his opinion. John felt calm, not excited, not afraid. He had changed his soil. John now had influential friends, not many, but real ones. They trusted him. They listened to him. He still lived simply, but his life felt rich. People in the town noticed. They asked him for advice. John smiled and said little. One evening, he walked by the river again. The old man was gone, but 2 small plants grew near the stone. John smiled. He finally understood. The truth was simple. Influential friends come to strong character, not strong desire. Dear friend, every one of us holds 2 seeds inside. One seed is desire, the other is growth. If you only desire, nothing changes. But if you grow, people notice. Do not chase people. Build yourself. Speak with care. Listen with heart. Give value. Start today. Change your soil. Because the longer you wait, the harder it becomes. When you grow, the right people will come. If this story touched your heart, please like this video. Share it with someone who feels invisible today. Subscribe to our channel for more warm, life-changing stories. We are here every week to help you grow. Thank you for listening. See you in the next story.